Hey guys, with another video about something I discovered. This is my washer. For a long time I thought it didn't have a light actually. It was always dark. I couldn't figure out what was in there when I was going to get things up. And it was a light bulb like this. I figured it out. This one is working. As you can see the filaments inside, but this is very old. Like it's the old filament technology. And the one I removed, it was burned. I'll show you how the one that I bought it from Amazon. It's like this. It only uses 4 watts, just in case somebody leaves the door open, because this is the one that turns it off. But if somebody leaves the door open, it won't burn, and it was only using 4 watts. This one, you can even get 2 watts, but you will get less light. This one, I like the light that I get, but this one is just fine. I think it's an E12, I think, this connection. I'll put the link on the description, but I think pretty much all the washers, the dryers, uses the same one, or pretty close. But let's go with the camera in to see how it looks. There it is. So I never figured it out because it was burnt, and I never knew that by putting my hand in there, the socket was right there. And I remove it. Of course you won't see anything. There it is. Here's the one. It's a little bit, it's not hot, it's just warm. But this is the one that I used. I think it's 12, what was it? 12 millimeters this way, sideways, it's 12 millimeters. And I think it's the E12 socket. Let's put it back. There. It's not even hot. And it has 6500 kelvins temperature. That's why the light is so white. And it's really nice now that I can reach and see what I'm getting into. So I hope this helped. Figure it out. If you just go in there, you see where the light is. Just go in here or somewhere else, but in your dryer. But you should have like a light bulb somewhere. Maybe it's burned because it's the old technology. Like I showed you, there was this thing. This is like from the previous millennia, pretty much. I hope this helped you, and just look at all my other videos. And if I help you, just subscribe. It will help me as well. Thank you.